Saving 10,000 rupees every month may sound difficult, but with the right strategy, anyone can do it. In today's video, I'll show you simple, practical, step-by-step methods that will help you save consistently, no matter your income. Step 1. Track. Step 1. Track where your money goes. 0.25 to 1 minute. The first step is awareness. Most people don't know where their money's going. Start by tracking your expenses for just 30 days. Use apps like Walnut, Money Manager, or even Google. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Commit to saving that 20% every month. Even if your income changes, food delivery, impulse shopping, OTT subscriptions, transport costs, unplanned outings, cutting just 300 rupees a day can save you almost 9,000 rupees a month. Step 4. Automate your savings. The biggest mistake people make is saving